Good morning everyone. How are all of you doing? Welcome to the stream everyone. I hope you must have enough, plenty, fantastic sleep last night. Another new session, London session it is. Session number 108, 19th May 2026. I'm first of all looking at this gold. Okay, I will be giving a bit like it's again creating this bullish momentum at that same place. So but obviously this bullish momentum on the 15-minute is good. Yes, so let me disengage that, and if you see market still is at that same level. So what we are studying, this gold, it has created this image. Okay, and like literally my friends, everyone was is stuck on the gold right now. Yes, because if one takes emotional decisions, then those traders must be getting into a trap. Let me tell you, see my friends right here, do you see this as a range? Okay, even let's say if one has no strategy, one is just completely randomness in this market. Do you know randomness? Even that randomness cannot make that trader become what that trader want to become in this market. So randomness is okay, that's good, fine, but in terms of trading and making profits in this market, then randomness is like alone is not going to help us. Then we have to see it. So for example, let's say one is complete random, even let's say, even that person can say, okay, this is, we in forex trading we have different things. Let me show you that again today. Now you learn this as well today. See, here is this thing. Okay, there are trends. This is bullish trend, this is bearish trend. What is this? This is also a trend, but is a range bound. What bound, my friends? Range bound. Now the random traders, This is range bound market. Then now the purpose why I tell it right here is that, see my dear friends, when we, let's suppose, were planning to sell right here, okay, or let's say we took sell from there and we book half of the positions right here and leave less rest of them, that's fine. But if one say no, I right here want to become a seller, so my friend, to those traders I will say, my dear friends, don't you see this zone? Again I want to give you another concept. Both I will be linking, then what I'm saying you will nicely understand it. Bullish trend, bearish trend, and this is range. Clear? If a trend is bullish, our traders keep buying, and if it is range bound, buying as well and selling as well. Selling, buy. But can one say that this is 100% doing this? Can someone say? Please be open to me right here in the chat. One cannot say psychologically, because again that randomness concept. I can say maybe the market can go into a range. Okay, now from this one possibility, I did a weekly forecast for gold that go fantastic well. I yesterday traded as well. I yesterday analyzed the market as well. That go fantastic. And when in a market, when literally everyone was saying it is crashing, yes, it will crash. No, I'm not saying it is not crashing, and I'm also not saying it is going up there, but the thing is it will be crashing, but it doesn't mean one should sell from right here. And in the weekly forex forecast, all of my swing trader brothers right now are stuck on this particular trade. As a sell, they are holding their SLs are right there, and now they don't understand, oh, what's these little sell areas that I will be explaining today in this session as well, then in the NY session as well. This place, this is a hope for them that, oh, maybe the price can stop. And remember my friends, these are disciplined traders, okay, not like, because disciplined wise they were good, okay, they want to take this much stop loss, okay, and their take profit is this much. See, they have got a very bigger stop loss compared to the take profit. So how beautifully disciplined traders these are. These are those types of disciplined traders who always lose big on the winning setups. These are such disciplined traders, and I want to laugh at them a little bit, because you call yourself discipline. What sort of discipline is this? I'm receiving messages, people are, hey Aftab, please do something. Now what should I do? When the time was right to sell, you didn't listen to me. Now what should I do? Can I? And even when I this week uploaded a video and I said this is not crashing, just wait a little bit, still those who listen to me are messaging me in profit. Those who did not follow, they are obviously may not be messaging me because they didn't get a chance to trade it. But those who take it to the wrong side of the market and now are messaging, Aftab, you were right. So what difference it's going to bring us, my friend? If 1,000 times you say, Aftab, you were right, but if you cannot practice what Aftab say, then I mean that person should not say to me that, hey Aftab, you were right. Are you laughing at me or like what? You are right. So then why you did not prepared for that? And at least I'm not saying anyone to trade, but at least with my videos, with my efforts, at least understand this much, that this is not a sell place at all from any angle. But I'm not sure, my friends, why. Anyways, so I was saying that the trader who when trade, these are probabilities. I say, okay, for example, if I want to sell right here, what will I say? I will say, well, it can go into a range as well. Now here, then when I have students, they ask me, sir, is it going to be a range? Shall we take a buy right here? You are also holding buy. Then I want to tell them that if I have a water gun or rubber gun, I will point your nose to my student. I say this. I am not holding a buy because I was predicting that maybe it can. Aftab doesn't go on maybes. Aftab only works, ABCD only works on if and then. And if and then is a then not randomness. So first think about it, that from right here, from this mindset, we need to change a lot of the things. Yesterday I said be positive in the market. Those who remain positive made good profits. So being in a positive state is your thing. Maybe these streams can make you positive in some way, I hope. Anyways, so yes, on the daily was this stuff, okay. And this week is very easy, right? Very easy. And this market is creating now. I want to show you this pattern, okay. In markets, these, let's reduce this RSI a little bit. It's taking too much of a place. I hope that day when I was explaining the divergence, you must have understood that. Now let me delete it because I like clean charts. So let's see what I'm holding. I'm just holding gold, okay. Yesterday I was holding Euro US dollar as well, very nicely. My friends, look at this pattern, okay. Two things I want to tell you. First, look at this pattern, a sudden drop. Then have a look at this pattern, a sudden drop. Have a look at this pattern, a rally. Let me do it a bit clean, then you will nicely understand. Let me hide this one click as well. What is this market doing is, see this drop. Let's do it there. Have a look at it. What we have got right here is a drop, then a rally, then another drop, then go this, and sort of created this, okay, and continue bullish, okay. Then this was the level which was supposed to be respected by the price, this one, and we have got a break below. So then a sudden drop. After this sudden drop, my friends, a rally, a confirmation, a continuation, a sort of a this, and the market rally. Now do you see these both patterns are the same? Okay, see this. So let's first study this, that right here, then what happened. In this particular case, the market reached back to sort of its previous like trend line. See, this level was broken, or we can say this broken point from where it became bearish. Now have a look at it. Then it go nicely. Okay, so now what it is showing us is, let's have a look at the previous broken level. Then previous broken level, my friends, comes at around 51.20 approximately. Where 51.20. Now this is this situation. Okay, but at least I think maybe, let's see. Okay, we will be observing this market is not going anywhere from us, my friends. And as this, so this for today seems to be a good planning. And let's see. And you know, below this level, you know what is my other level and what I will be doing. But for now, I think, my friends, see double bottom, and I have seen, and then another double bottom, and then see. So now let's see to the H1. Well, first let's see this trend that it has established yesterday, and it was discussed yesterday in the stream. $45 somewhere, this 45, 30, 26, somewhere it was right here. So let's see. And one more thing, the price action, my friends. If we see this price now again right here, I will say this price action can fail. Okay, what do you think? If there is this candle right here with us, what it will be telling us? Shall we take it as a random, or shall we take it as a bullish hammer? Hammer pattern, do you know? This candle, my friend, appeared at beautiful places right here. Now we have the whole day left. Okay, this is what I do study the charts as this at the start of the day. So the rest of the day, then I'm fully focused on my other levels. Okay, so till H4, H1, my bias is very much clear. Now I have to see the lower time frames, but slowly and gradually. I haven't had any breakfast yet. Iceberry, my dear friend, welcome. Saifullah, walaikum salam. HK Wines, hello, how are you doing? 6 watching, 0 likes, huh? Do you guys like, you guys want every time I should tell you like? Do it right now, please. Make me happy early in the morning. Not very early, it is almost, my friend. This is afternoon. Yesterday I shared some valuable information with everyone. You know, these randomness things, for example, this is a market, right? This. So in this market, what is that randomness? Randomness is like, for example, this candle is dropping, immediately randomly a person will just execute a trade right here. put a stop loss up there, okay, and a take profit right here. So then the trader say, oh, I made money. Yes, my friend, you made money, but you remain random, without any strategy, without any logic. If one go near this market, then my friends, I will be heading over to the scalping trades as well. And by the way, today I'm not going to pick my kids from school because I didn't took them to school today. They were asleep, okay. And it's anyways very strong heat wave right here, plus last night it was a very dry, dusty storm right here at my area. Just 2 likes, my friend, you gave, okay. 8 watching, 2 likes. Come on, make it more, okay. Let me ask my wife if there is something I can eat now. Okay. Let's see if it is scalping friendly, so I can do some daily wage, my friends, for myself as well. These are again, you know, today again, just like yesterday I discussed. Today these are again trading in inside these insider structures, okay. But let's see if I can quickly grab something from the market, will be good. I mean, at least 200 pips I can grab from right here, maybe 45.36. Let's wait, okay. Wait, there is nothing, there is no good tool other than wait, okay, because you know in the market there are different things going on at the same time. So 45.15 can become a very ideal buying level for me. Let's wait for it, okay. Till then I will have little bit of tea as well, okay. Then I think it can, this is then not the good zone, okay, because there is plenty of liquidity since yesterday right here. So randomness is not going to help me. I properly want to see a break below, but this break below has not yet occurred since yesterday. So even my friends, I definitely want to wait for it to come back down a little bit. See, the ideal one is even this. Which one is the yesterday's template on which I was working? Where my decision to leave euro was good. Which was that which I was, okay. So yesterday I left you with this analysis. This is the seller's eye on this. By the way, on the H4 with a sell perspective, if we see, this is today seems like maybe on the H4 there is a crash coming then, okay. Lower time frames will remain be showing us sell, but let's see, unless and until this level doesn't break. Now my friend, can't say much about it. So you know, it's better, my friends, it's way too better to be on the right side of the market and to be always on patience. If we are not having enough patience or this and that, then my friends, these things are not going to work. Okay, I'm quickly having lunch, then I will be right back. Or what do you say? Shall we continue in the NY session? Let's see if I can take this trade. I will be taking it. Okay, let's wait. First, let me have a little bit of Pet Puja. Okay, thank you guys for waiting. I was so hungry. Without on empty stomach, my friends, we cannot do these things. We need good from right here, but healthy. I ate a little bit unhealthy today. I eat a paratha, oh ho, with desi ghee and with tea. I just finished it, and a little bit of leftover French fries from market. You know, that was fun. It's okay. I will run 15 minutes extra today. Let's hide this lunch break text. Feroz Khan, walaikum assalam. My dear Johnny, what's up? What's going on? New trading day. A lot of the liquidity right here. And my friend, do you remember that yesterday's swing low to swing high? Oh, wait, okay. Let it grab the liquidity first, then we see. There will be different level. Shall I get rid of this trade, my friend? The swap is 1.11 and the loss is $50, but I pretty much made profits from this hedging trade. Let's see if a breakout occur. I will hedge it again. This level is very much obvious, my friends. Even the yesterday's low is also not taken yet. Plus on top of that, my friend, this, see, this is then that confused state. Okay, this is what, this is that confusion. Price from right here is also showing up there, and from here is also showing down there. So if a trader wants to do, what should that trader do then? This is again an important thing that we should understand. Anyways, let's go for the first intraday of the day. But still, if I take it, no, my friend, precise I would be looking for. Precise entry. And I also think that it is now, my friends, dropping. Yes, there's that bullish rally seems like ended, but let's see. Let's 45, this yesterday's level I have. If it stops them, that's fine. Otherwise, it will be just keep dropping. Okay. So let's see if I can grab something right here. My main goal is to just recover this profit, this negative balance, and close everything and be a little bit relaxed, because this one I took all the way from 15th May and today is 19th, so 4 days ago I took it. Today market seems bearish, my friend. Okay, the structure that it has created seems bearish. See, right here, 1,000 pips of a drop it is showing. I will be trading and it will be in front of all of you. Don't worry about that. It's better to observe it on the 5-minute. It will be good. Bulls appeared. Okay. $32 it can give me with a stop loss of $9. So seems good to me. Today I'm again lowering my lot size, and there is a logic behind it as well. because every market doesn't is like we don't need to be trading every market with the same lot. It depends on the market move, this and that, a lot of the things. You just give me one moment, I will be quickly right back. Okay, I'm willing to give this $9 to the market, no problem. Wow. Wow, nice. For quick scalping it should be till here. Anyone who is holding this position, this 96 pips is there, just don't be too greedy with it. Okay, 96 pips is enough. Yes. Move stop to break even if you are into this trade, or you can also do it as this. Yes, it is also fine. Just 33 pips of a risk it is. This is my friends. This is my friend the trade. Okay, this People think trading is about indicators. How? Did you see any indicator or like anything? It's not about indicators, my friend. Indicator is not going to help alone. There is again that randomness thing. It comes again that randomness. Trading, my friends, is about surviving your own mind, I should say, and survive your mind this much long that after that survival you should see the truth. What is that truth? That truth is that indicators alone doesn't work. If you combine them with something else, that's fine. Otherwise, market psychology and market trading will be helping everyone. And anyone who wants to become successful must go through the market psychology and the market structure at any cost. Otherwise, forget the success. Forget what? Forget the success. If one wants, say no, I don't want to master the market structure, or I don't want to go with it. See, this is 1 minute time frame, my friend, and on a 1 minute time frame, even these tiny candles is creating what? Market structure. Then most of the time people ask me, sir, teach us market structure. My friend, what should I teach you in the market structure then? This is the market structure, so what further should I teach? This is beyond my reach, my friends. What should I teach right here? This is the market structure. See, market is nicely coming, lower lows, and suddenly this high is broken. Market came back down for a retest and continue high. Another retest, continue high. Hit the other support, resistance, dropped. So what? And my friend, do you remember that 80 level yesterday? That story of between this high and this low, this 45.80, I said 45.80 and 44.80, this is $100 range. This is a $100 range. Some risk to reward. Okay, so I moved my stop to break even. Now I am completely relaxed. So these higher highs and these higher lows is the market structure. Wherever one low is broken, we need to take it. Okay, since it is anyways a scalping trade, so 45 pips is enough for me at this stage. Okay, you guys book it as well. My 0.01 is anyways running. Okay, and this is such a beautiful pattern. If I want on confirmation with 140 pips, I can target a lot. Now here, if you remember there, that day I said on the 15-minute time frame, I cannot miss a bigger move. Back then when the market was trading somewhere right here on the M15, it created this bullish wave. This. So on the intraday M15, catching it is like it's okay, 40 pips we get from the market, but no doubt the market is way too complicated at this moment because it is at a biggest level, I should say. See, my friends, on this channel you are not going to get noise or something. Whatever this market tells me, I exactly like you can say my stream when I speak these candles, and like you can say these candles are speaking to me and I'm translating that in my stream, will not be bad. So it's not about the noise. There is no noise in my trading room. I'm here to show you, my friends, that what happens when the structure meets the patience. Wow. When you, it means like when we wait for the market. Do you understand that? So yes. How much time it is? 8 viewers. Let's see. Only 5 likes till now so far. You know, early right here in previous August here. See, this is 34.31 and this is 31.20, around $300 of a range. And a time also came that for how many days? From May till June, May, June, 2 months, there was hardly 100 pips of a move per day. So same is, I guess, going on again right here at the moment. Let's see what more volume brings. But usually in May and April, when the volume starts to disappear till the August and September, and then in September it gain again momentum, the bigger volume, I mean to say. So gold will a bit calm down. Then for small trader it is also good. Okay, for small traders it will be becoming even more good, because seems like uh, see, like those who are holding is not willing to sell. The long term ones, those who even buy in physical gold or stuff, those traders. And obviously if the sellers come, so they will be just a little bit of hype, but overall it is still standing above like 3000 is the lifetime support now for gold, I guess. In the lifetime it may not go below 3000. This is just my guess. It can be, it can go to 200. What happened that in do you know, in right here back in 2011, see, in 2011, 1st October 2012, and right here 11, from right here ranged for a year and then was dropping all the way back till 2000, around 2016, and now this recent one in 2022 when it came to 1613, that was also part of Fibonacci, my friends. There was a Fibonacci. See, back then this was the impulsive leg, this was the correction, and everyone wanted to buy. Even right here, back then I was looking at it as this 1521 was my actual zone, but then later I catch it a little bit late. Okay, when it took a reversal from here on this candle, I didn't did anything, waited, and right here from 1987 I bought. And then everyone said, oh Aftab, you bought very high, on gold there is no very high if it is a spot trade. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. Did you like the trade or not? I think you should like this particular trade. Okay, I'm a bit like understanding the market yet. Want to see that if this story it has created is really a good one, because this level is so much obvious. Okay, rewind the session, you will understand on the M15 since yesterday. This is good level. What? Coming. Okay, wait, I'll be in 1 minute right back. Wow, playing out. Let me go for a 0.01 as per my actual plan. Okay, 46.47 this trade will be. You guys book your profit. Okay, you made how much? Where did we enter? Here I guess 87 pips. Good my friends, good. Further I will meet you in the NY session. Okay everyone, make sure to don't miss that session. How many of you can join me in the NY session? Make sure to do join me, because market is now getting another direction. Okay, and this market will be doing it. Market is in a confused state. See, is also showing a drop, is also going up. In such situations, what the ABCD pattern tells us, I am doing that. And in the longer run, it has been proved to be very much successful for me. Yes, if in 10 minutes this candle closes as a bearish engulfing, I will reconsider my plan a little bit, because I don't want to see it closing below 45.48. Okay, so let's have an eye in 10 minutes on 45.48. We need this breakout in these 10 minutes. If the next candle opens, the H1 candle opens below this, then my friend, that will be a bearish engulfing, and that will be very crazy. This previous candle seems a continuation candle, but let's see if the market is ideal. Let's read the price action a little bit. So when we read the price action, then it will tell us that okay, is the price action correct today or not correct today. And there is this ABCD pattern as well, but it is completing near 45.62. Let's read it, okay, because in these 10 minutes preferably I want to see a break above this zone. Otherwise that H1 will close bearish engulfing, and then the buys will change a little bit further. So it's not good. No. Coming strongly down, which means that it is coming back down till this 45.23 for a fresh buy. Selling pressure is high at the moment, and I think it is dropping. Okay, this candle will be my confirmation. Because see, this bullish momentum will then break. If this candle closes as this, it will mean that the bullish story is no more. Just like right here, right here, right here, right here, and this candle go closed bigger. So then how much drop? 345 pips. So that's why these last 7 candles on the 1 minute are extremely important for me. A close above this is much important. Great, HK. Six minutes remaining. I need a close above this, okay? If not, then things will be a little bit different. Great comeback of the bulls. Let's see if they can sustain or not. Now they are even struggling at this smaller zone, which means the intention of them is that they are going to close this market right here. Make sure to check out my other videos, okay? They are full of education. Four minutes remaining. Three minutes remaining. They closed in above this structure. Previous 5-minute candle is bearish engulfing this one, so this candle should go and take a high of the previous one and then come back down. So then it means it is bearish on the 5-minute, still bullish on the 15-minute, but on the H1 this is much important. Seems like it is closing bearish engulfing, which is not very good. Just 2 minutes left, so in 2 minutes let's see if they can break it or not. I'm not exactly sure how they will, because big candles are forming right here. Now just 1 minute left, but if this shoots up is something else, otherwise I don't think so. Now most people will be selling on the basis of that H4 engulfing, so probably should retrace a little bit. H1 engulfing, I mean. H1 closed as a bearish engulfing. No, not yet. Yes, closed. It is closed bearish engulfing. Should ideally, let's see. $32 pips of a risk. Now I should not be worried about this stop loss because 243 pips can be my target on this one. So let's see if I will be leaving it that much or not. It depends on the volume that we have in the market. And if it take a good reversal, it will just stop me out and will continue bullish. This is such a place. Since yesterday it is trying to break this level, but it is unable to break it. So what does that mean? Quickly, quickly we need to decide. Most people see these candles, but I see how they are behaving right here. This is important, and it will change everything for you. Just start doing it, understand it. Try to see the behavior of the candles. Because if I look at the candle, what is this in the candle? This is just a candle. So even with just looking at it, what will happen? I gave 6,000 profit on a 20k account. 5,800 something. Is it bad? On another account I gave 10% because that person told me to take the safest one only. And on the aggressive ones I made 55,000. Before opening the account, we need to know that am I going to go aggressive? Am I going to go a bit like I hope you understand what I say. In Forex, we need to quickly change our biases, especially when it comes to the intraday. One thing I always repeat again and again, and that is we are not going to get married to this market or our bias. For example, if I say I'm bullish, I will be forever bullish. No. Earlier I used to say stay on one direction. So above a certain level stay on one direction. It doesn't mean forever on a one currency pair stay on one direction and nah. Those are false. Okay. Those are what? Those are false things. Don't ever try to follow the false things, my dear friends. In this market, it's like not going to reward our excitement or something. It rewards the understanding. There are then most traders who come to me. They have mastered 20-30 strategies. 30-20 strategy. Even things they can do better than I. For example, those ICT and stuff. But they lack one master strategy, and that is the market structure. Everybody will be wanting the entry. But my friends, very few people will understand. You need to work with one successful person who can guide you nicely. Let's see. Is it a strong crash? Again, everyone will be emotionally selling, completely ignoring that there is one buy level as well. We need to wait for its breakout, then we will be deciding proper selling. When it's the right time, I will tell it myself, you will see. But only when the right time is for that type of selling. This is not that type of selling at the moment, okay? It is just in zigzaggy manner going up and down, and people are just like crazy, washing their accounts. Pay my little fees, and my little fees is that everyone who wants to ride here, sit with me in the live stream. This is our sitting place, our area where we discuss trades, where we discuss emotions. So make sure to give me a thumbs up. Yes, what I'll be thinking for my dear friends, just don't think. Just give me that thumbs up. See my friends, see, this is understanding of the market. Now what I just did right here, I did just like the market structure context was already in my mind. I just spotted an H1 bearish engulfing, and then I changed my buys. Simple. Then people say, oh Aftab, after the move we see things. Right here in the stream I'm in real time telling you these things. In real time I'm telling you. We have still 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle to close. Yes, another thing. See, this is a bearish engulfing properly. This is a bearish engulfing trend continuation, it suggests. So then I say, okay, it should drop till here. But on the 1 minute, there will be liquidity sweeps as well, this and that. But at least this support should not be broken, as if it wants to continue climbing lower, going lower, I mean. Big spikes and big wicks will be expected, otherwise this story I think is not going to wind up. On the 15 minutes seems like it is about to crash, but my friend, that's not the case. It will take some time, maybe till the NY session. Today is Tuesday as well, so they are trying to hit 45.14. See this 45.80 level that I gave you yesterday, how much profit it gave? 487 pips. 487 pips. Is it less? Wow, this is that other trade. See, it was showing us a buy from right here, but then what happened? This is that trade, I took it right here. On the H1 I have spotted something, okay? I want to tell you. On the H1, as far as this bearish trend line doesn't get broken, I will not be going bullish properly. See, with the passage of time, when we wait for the markets, so I think, and it took a fresh, I think a drop is coming maybe now if it go a little bit up and then, but this one is now closely I will be observing. You remember this Euro AUD trade I gave in the live stream from here, if you remember. This breakout was done. I traded it as well, then I closed it right here. This level is not yet retested by the price, and it has created a different story. Sort of like an ABCD pattern got completed. First, let's see, is this level important to us? No, selling level should start from right here. Till there is still some juice left. How much loss? I will have 19 pips of loss on this one. Counter trend trade it is, and I'm expecting price to drop around 53 pips. But then there are several hurdles and this and that. So yes, let's see. Head over back to the gold. Wow, nicely coming down. Because now, yes, I can say it is nicely on this thing. We have spotted an H1 stuff here, okay? Wow, I have got the story for today. NY session is going to be extremely profitable, even more profitable it will be. Okay, because I have spotted something. This level needs to be broken. Let's see if I can do some quick scalping right here. Where is my gold? This 21 pips. Quickly scalping, let's see. Took a nice support, good for scalping it was. Bullish engulfing this is on the 1 minute quick scalping, I mean. Surge the 278, yes, maybe. Trading is a very beautiful thing. Okay, we create it complicated for ourselves. Oh, Euro AUD is hitting its SL. Anyways, let it hit. But my friend, this gold thing, a sudden crash maybe or something. Let me hedge it again, my friend. Okay. Because to me it is showing 45.14 as well. So let's patiently wait for it then, okay my friends. Let's see if we get it together today. I opened another sell with this much 121 pips risk 0.02, and I am setting its TP right here. With just one click, boom, if it hits will be fun. Let's see it here. Finally, today we see something to the sell side of the market. Oh, Euro AUD is still surviving. Oh my goodness, it got a reversal. Now my friends, let's see. Okay, okay, I'm turning off my webcam, or shall I? Okay, I'm not turning off. You guys are good in number. It is again creating this pattern, my friends. That means that H1 candle is false then. Let's wait a little bit for the SL, okay? Seems let's see, okay. You know, this stuff is not this, sorry, this. Proper breakout of 45.80 will make us bullish, proper bullish. This other one is a little bit emotional, I should say. Humans do make a little bit of mistakes as well, but I am officially now on, let's see, okay. This thing seems good for buying. .05, I'm 0.04 holding to the sell side of the market. Let's see. Let's move this thing up there. Sell. I am 0.02 sell, so let me first hedge that, okay, with a buy. Yes, I am hedge on gold, okay. Stuff is getting more in front of me. I have to get rid of them by the end of the week. See, this is that type of a market today. Completely on a hedge, my friend. I want to remain bullish, okay? If anything happens, I want to remain bullish. M30 is closing in 2 minutes. Preparing for a drop, okay? On the 1 minute. My friend, what type of a market is this then today? Yes, maybe, but like, what type of a market is this then today? My friend, I feel it is crashing, okay? Not too much, but at least still here, 45.13, I see it dropping, okay? Especially in such situations. But let's see for this breakout how that breakout will be. A good 200 pips of a zone it is. A lot of the liquidity is built up, my friends, either side of the market. Wait, okay? Oh, same situation going on. Same situation going on, my dear friends. Let me head over to your chat. HK Wines, okay, you are with me. Ice Berry, I feel gold is creating support zone. I think so, okay, I think so, but let the time comes, then it will decide. Shubha Monday, hello, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. This market is not a market of a rush at all. Let's patiently wait. NY session will be opening yet, okay? Watch this carefully, okay? This is where emotional traders get panicked. We don't need to be panic right here. Shubha Monday. Yesterday you were with me when I was analyzing this, everyone. On the 1 minute I studied this whole area for all of you. And exactly the level that I found, the market dropped there, then another one. And this one is from Friday, okay? Remember, my dear friends, there are markets, okay, which are not supposed to be traded. So such markets are the ones which are supposed to be not traded. This is such a confused market, my friend, if I tell you. Oh, ho, 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 ho. We'll need a little bit explanation. Okay. See this level. See this pattern. And now see this pattern. This one. So it again then suggests this. But does that mean we blindly buy? Especially if we have this H1 stuff already going on. Have a look at it. Let me zoom out a little bit and now see what type of an image it has created. My friend, just have a look at it. As this, as this. While from yesterday this becomes our support. And do you understand these patterns? I discussed them last week. You will remember. Make sure to check out those streams in detail, especially the NY session. So right now this market is no doubt on the 50. Since we are 15-minute traders, so obviously we will be following the 15-minute time frame. So then we see that the H1 trader win today, or the M15 trader wins today. Okay, this is that type of a market. And now when people see this double bottom, this one, let's see if there is any RSI. Let's see for a divergence, my friends. Oh, sorry. So divergence right here, my friends. Did it go below 30? Yes, at 30 at least it go. And even before that it go there. What type of a trend this RSI has created? What type of a trend? And is price respecting this indicator's trend? Well, there is a very obvious bullish divergence. Okay, that can push the market up. To which level? I mean, now my friend, I think if that bullish rally is going to come, that will be again back to 45.70 somewhere till the NY session. And then maybe in the NY session some people will be trying to trade the breakout. while some will be trading to trade the retests. Okay, will you be remembering it forever or not? Tell me this. Actually, let me write it down as well a little bit for everyone. Understand this situation. In this market, what is going on? Oops, not writing at the right place. H1 1 hour say bearish engulfing, while the 15 minutes say what? RSI bullish divergence along with what? Double bottom. Now we see the strength of it, how strong it is and how strong it is. For the intraday trader, this whole zone up to 45, this 20 level, this sort of this zone. Okay, so double bottom, my friends, then formed right here. RSI divergence. Now the strength. This is recent. This is being played since the start of the week. And since yesterday. This is the main whole story going on right now in this present moment. Now tell me, how one will be deciding? This is this whole story going on in the market, my friends. And for that quicker reaction, because right now I am not swing trading, obviously. Okay, I do that in the weekly forex forecast, the video that I upload on Sunday and on Saturday. But my friend, for now, if I see market has created on the 5-minute, I have seen bullish engulfing and bullish momentum forming as this. Okay, so on the intraday, people seems to be preparing for it. Loss is little, profit is more. This is one successful formula. Other than this, you don't need anything else. Stop loss lower, take profit higher. Stop loss less, take profit high. Say it with me. Say it with me. Stop loss less, take profit high. Make it a habit. Make it a habit, my friend. Yes, stop loss less, take profit high. entry at the right place, then planning for the entry. Yes, when I was a child, so English is not our language, so we are like I learned this ABCD, like ABC, A for apple, we used to sing. So sing with you, okay? Don't shy from yourself. Yes. And right now that's why seller is confused, buller is confused as well. And I am a bull in this situation, so let's see how this market treats us then. Clear? Or do it need further explanation? Yes, see, those who came for trading, they run away from the stream. See, remember my friends, when a person spends time in this market, becomes automatically sync with everything, okay? Get sync with everything. Then these randomized thought processes and these randomized type of indicators and stuff may not be working. See, today I have shown you the right way to use RSI as well. Now coming on to, if for example this is market on the M15, am I 100% sure market is going to go up there? No. I am also not 100% sure that H1 bearish engulfing is correct. So market, there is a chaos in the market then. So why don't we just wait for our levels? Since yesterday 4510 approximately 4500 is our level. So we wait for it. And personally for myself I am holding some positions, but let's see, market seems not favorable, like kind of randomized type of a market it is, but I'm anyways not chasing. I'm willing to let the trade go down further, because everything, you know, in the title, this is practice. Practice is going on, my friends. Practice. We are learning these things, okay? So overall beautiful markets are ahead, but in the NY session, and I think I see a good failure till at this price point. Because I obviously cannot ignore this thing. And seems like it is going for a breakout. I hope this ABCD pattern completes so I can decide something else, because this story is now getting taking another direction. So let's wait for 45.14. It is dropping now. So let's see how then that drop will be. We will see it, okay? We will see it. Since yesterday this level is holding, looking at the present moment, I don't think so market is going to hold at this place, because there is this ABCD pattern as well. Previous week I also spent so much on the ABCD patterns. Oops, I did it wrong. Beautiful buy setup I'm expecting right here. So let's see. I'm anyways in a buy, so and this will become a bigger A, B, C, and obviously D will be up there, up, up, up. This is how I read the market algorithm, and this is how I make profits with it. Okay. But my friend, if I start crying, oh, I'm in this, so I should not be worried. See, I am in still good profit. 1345 this account is, and even if it go negative, I shouldn't be crying. Crying is like also healthy. Weather is getting hotter, my friend, right here. I need an air conditioner and a solar system. I want to get rid of this some few contracts. You know why these markets are slow? Usually not slow, but reduce momentum, because my friends, that is the future contracts, the positions, the options, literally everything. They these decisions are placed before March, April. So May, June, July, just people are waiting. Is our options expiry, or is our future contracts expiring within the schedule nicely in my profit or not? So in these first 4 months, these contracts are being placed out. Okay, then rest of the year till August, it is just hanging around there and here. But then there are some expiries in the October, some in the September, so then the markets again go like type of crazy, type of like shaking, type of we are doing something type of, and that shakiness go on a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. This previous year it go on, and gold created several highs in November, October, December. Okay, so that shakiness was usually we fell all the way from August and from September. So these May, June, July, these markets are slightly different, and we need to understand them so that we can trade them. Right here, what I have seen is most people come right here, see one losing trade on the stream, and say, oh, this doesn't work. My friend, don't remember, don't find your future sorry, don't see your future in just one trade. Okay, if you are seeing your future in one trade, then my friend, I think nah, one trade go wrong, then what you do? After all, what you do then? Take it as a journey. Take it as a journey. The more you take it as a journey, the better rewards it will be bringing for you. The more relax you will be, okay, the more focused you will be on your other life, like other than Forex we have other lives as well. So yes, let me head over to your chat if there is any. Yes, iceberry on 5 minute different things will be forming. Dinch 03 gold master, the market is slow and steady like a small. Give us the guidance. I need action. Too slow today. You know, slow markets is what brings. Let me tell you something, okay? Let me tell you something. Wait. Uh, this bullish momentum is not broken yet, okay? Bulls are keep struggling. Remember, No bearish candle on M15 has formed yet. Even this is a bullish one. You know, gold is moving right now in such a way like gold completely forgot where I parked my volatility. it's, it forgot it. And the candle seems to be like attending a family meeting. Classic bearish candle, okay? Classic bearish continuation pattern. These every trader is literally like confused at the moment that after all what this gold will be doing, my friends. Oh, and if you are someone just like me, you will be more confused. Oh, oh, in the market, my friend, now something started. Okay, see this level, you see here, it is like keep respecting this zone, see, and not just once, not just twice, but keep respecting it. And see, from this side of the market, bulls are keep appearing. DXY is not available on my broker. But I'm checking it, okay, on trading view. Wait, first let's see actually what this want to do. Actually what this want to do, after all it has created a double bottom. Even on the 5-minute time frame this double bottom is visible, see, but the problem is it created it once as well right here. Do you see this place? I already said it, my friend. This it worked, but just this much. So this time if it is working, maybe just till this much, so it can also create this type of a channel and then start zigzaggy moves inside it as this. That is then another thought process. For now this crash seems more obvious to me, my friend. I think this double bottom, like may not survive in front of this bearish engulfing. Okay, so 45.14 I'm keeping in mind. Let's see if it comes down there or not. Time will decide. Time will decide. Market seems preparing for this one dip, 4514, 4500 somewhere, and then a reversal back till around 4570 again, this place. In the conditions in which the market is being played out since yesterday, if very strong volume appears, then obviously that suddenly will be making big candles. So what I say, obviously this will get invalidated. See, if I get a wick on the H1 above this level and then the candle closes as this, then obviously then there will be no meaning for me of this. Okay, and if bigger candles start to form right here, bigger and bigger candles, so though my direction will be good, a bullish one, but obviously this stuff is then no more valid for me. This you understand, okay? We are going up or down? My friend, what do you mean we are going up or down? Dench, my friend, please let me know what do you mean by we are going up or down? Huh? Did you see someone going up? You are going on a walk somewhere on the footpath and there suddenly you see someone. Oh, that person is going up. Thanks my dear for showing up in these streams, okay? I really like all of you. Let me check quickly the Forex factory as well. Let's see if there is anything for us today. Let's see. Let me head over to the Chrome. Where is Chrome? My friends, please tell me where is Chrome in this OBS. Can please someone help me from out of you? Afak you, where is Chrome? Ah, here it is. Yes my friend, see. For the CAD we have CPI, but I'm more interested in dollar pending home sales. My friends, I hardly have seen such news bring good volatility. But yes, sort of. For example, if market is stuck in such situation, so even a little bit of hint, a little bit of spark is enough. You know, rest you understand yourself. Yeah. You are of Tab's Forex Academy traders, okay? You understand these things. Guys, sorry, I have to sometime do little bit chit chat as well, you know. Okay, you are silently watching the stream, enjoying nicely, SLs hitting this and that. But the thing is, I speak continuously right here. Do someone know any technique if for slow days like this we play some cards right here in the stream? That will be super fun. Let's see, let me try. Let's play cards then today a little bit. Game capture, okay. I will say game. Okay, good. Capture any full screen application? No. Capture specific window? Yes. Which window? Yeah. Bro, how do I know where is gaming? Uh, Solitaire right here. Which one to play? Pyramid? Spider? I don't know any of them. Let's see. Randomly I clicked once. Oh, this is spider. Let's first make it easy. But how do I play? How do I, oh, it's playing on its own. I'm just clicking. Wow. But my friend, my score is decreasing right here. Okay, okay, okay. Follow the step-by-step solution or press pause to solve on your own. Show alerts. Okay. So, oh, from 2A, okay, 2A, and then, wow, my friend, it's telling me how to play. Wow, I'm very good with the hints. What should I do now? Hmm. Wow. Wow. My friend, let me delete this game, okay? I don't want any copyright strike on my channel. Otherwise, it's fun. Okay, let's see DXY a little bit. Oh, something happened to my PC today. Very slow it is, my internet. How many of you know about my harmonic pattern strategy for professionals? Anyways, more on that later. Okay, DXY. My friend, what should I see on the DXY? This level is respecting for now. But the thing is, on the weekly, my friend, it is showing way too bullish. I mean, not little, but way too bullish. So till 101. 101 is the place all the way we have from last year, 12th May 2025. So it can be the yearly high maybe. So yes, as per this particular plan, Dixie might be on the H4, no doubt it is. On the H1, this is completely like into a good sell zone. Anyone willing to trade, this will be the right way to trade it. Okay. Then because obviously back then this will be the situation with us. Okay, and by then this will be 618 of this Fibonacci. See this 618. So then obviously we can like easily say it as this, but still there will be like different thought processes then. Okay, this trend line can appear right here in front of them and tell them go further down. So then obviously the market will go down. So again it will be then creating the traders a little bit confused, I should say. Why? Because at such places we catch the trades, but most traders are not able to catch it to the right side of the market. They get puzzled and then they lose a lot of money and then they have no money, most traders. So this is the thought process, and then obviously then this bigger one can appear as well as this. Okay, and the market resume it as this, and then we see it as this. Okay, and even the more I see, the more drawings I will see. Maybe this trend line continues in the future and go as this, and then create further lows as this. Even a lot of possibilities, my friend. That's why I tell you, learn market structure. Okay. Get back to the MT4 right here. When I'm with you right here in the stream, I don't get bored. It is at resistance. Master the price hovering around a major. Okay, trading day. Okay, we need to create a sequence. Delete cookies. It is on 4-hour resistance, and if it is gold, should go up huge. If it is bullish, then gold will fall. Ah, wow. Let's get back to this original story. I hope, and in the NY session I may not be able to repeat it again. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, rest, let's meet in the NY session. Okay, I'm too much tired now. Take care and see you in around 2 hours. Okay, and my bias as an intraday trader still will be, see above this I'm obviously bullish. Okay, break, because this is the market being this way. Okay, yes, take care, see you dear, see you, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.